Hello everyone. Let's wait till more people connect. I'll share my screen once we are ready. Let's wait for a few minutes. Hello viewers. Thank you for joining. We'll start in a few minutes. All right. I guess we should go ahead with the live demo. I'll start sharing my screen with you people, and we'll start with the demo. Hello and welcome to the Infigrowth demo. My name is Shishi, and I'm here to show you how our newly launched SaaS tool can help you streamline your digital and SEO efforts. First of all, we'll take a few minutes to go through the key features of Infigrowth tool, see how it helps you to grow, and we'll also watch the live demo of the tool in action. In case if you have any questions, you can mention those questions in the chat. After the presentation, we'll answer them at the end of the live demo. Let's start with the overview of Infigrowth. Infigrowth is an extensive SEO analytics and digital marketing tool. Uh, it is designed to provide you enhanced visual insights along with customizable widgets, real-time annotations, and actionable alerts. It seamlessly integrates with Google Analytics and Search Console data to show you a unified view of your SEO performance. So let's dive in and see how this can help you grow while saving your time. So let's head on. You can head on to the Infigrowth website and just click on Start Your Growth Journey button over here. You can sign into your account or sign up through using your Google account. I'll go ahead and choose my email ID to sign up. Once you sign up, you'll be able to see all the paid plans over here. Our paid plans will be coming up sooner within a few days, but right now we'll go ahead with the free plan. So I'll be clicking on Start for Free. So let's go ahead and complete our onboarding steps. So in the first stage, in the first step, you have to enter your website that you wish to generate or track or generate reports for. So I'll go ahead with the company website, which is infidigit.com. And then you can click on Add Website. You can enter your websites based on which you have to generate reports. In the next step, you have to create campaigns. So in the first step, you can choose the device as well as the search engine. So Google will be the default search engine. You can select a mobile or a desktop. I'll go ahead with mobile, and then you have to select a location. So I'll configure this campaign for India location. In case if you want to add more campaigns, you can click on this add more campaigns button, and then I'll click on proceed to add tracking keywords. At this step, you'll be able to see the keywords would be suggested to you based out of our AI algorithm. So AI, artificial intelligence, will be used to suggest keywords to you based on the website that you have added in the previous screen. So as you can see, by default, a few keywords are automatically selected for you, and the search volume for those keywords are also shown. You can scroll down and select any of these keywords. You can also search keywords from this, uh, and just to finalize your keywords, or simply you can add keywords over here manually. So in case, let's say, you want to add any keyword related to uh, marketing, let's say I'll be adding a digital marketing keyword. You can go on and add these keywords over here. In case if you have your keywords, you want to add them in bulk, you can also go to this upload in bulk menu. You can download our template and then add your keywords to this template as per the template, the template columns are provided. You can check these rules to make sure that the keywords are added correctly, and then you can go to this option and upload this file. Please remember that once you upload your keywords through bulk upload, it will take a couple of days, to fetch the rankings. So for now, we'll add these keywords from the suggested keywords. So I'll go ahead and I'll select a few keywords. You can click on manage keywords or to delete or add more keywords from here. As you can see, I have added three keywords, so it shows 3 out of 10 keywords added, and the number of campaigns are also shown over here that were created in the previous screen. So now I'll just click on start tracking keywords. Please remember that once you click on this button, your keyword rankings will be fetched immediately. So right now the keywords are being fetched. So meanwhile, let's just go ahead and connect our Google Analytics and Search Console accounts as well. So in case if you don't have these accounts with you, you can just skip this step and click on save and go to dashboard. But I'll just go ahead and connect these. So I'll click on connect now and choose an account. I'll go ahead and select the properties, and I'll click on connect and confirm. So you can see the status for Google Analytics that is in progress. Meanwhile, I'll also configure the Google Search Console account. I'll click on connect now, choose an account, and then I'll click on continue and allow. Again, I'll be selecting the property from here, and then click on connect and then confirm. So now I'll click on save and go to dashboard. So it will take a few minutes for the search sense reports to be generated. So meanwhile, let's go ahead and check the rank tracker reports for the keywords that we added previously. You can click on view reporting. So as you can see, the keywords that you added, the reports for those keywords are generated over here. So now that we have created this account just now, so that's why the reports are being generated for this account. This is how it will look like to you once you actually create your account. So I'll take you to the other account where I have already set up this keyword, rank tracker, and I've added keywords so that I'll be able to better represent how the reports work. So I'll quickly move on to the other account and I'll click on view reporting. Yeah. So as you can see on the top, you'll be able to see the overall keywords. So in this account, we had added 5 keywords. We also able to see these sections called head, torso, and tail. I'll get into the detail of these later on. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see average position of your keywords, which seems to be grown by 25%. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see overall rank distribution. So on the top, as you can see, the date selected for this report is June 29 to 31st. And so this is basically showing you a comparison. So for the date for 29 July, there were two keywords that were ranking between 1 to 5, and over a period of time till 31st July, all my five keywords were ranking between first to fifth rank. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see a tabular form wherein all the keywords are shown. So we also have a feature called we also have a featured snippet that will be showing you the keyword that was shown as a featured snippet in the Google search engine. Uh, in case if you want to be seeing how these keywords appeared on Google search in real time, you can just click on this view option, and our sub snapshot feature will show you how exactly your keywords appeared at the time they were ranking on the top. There are more columns in this key in this report that will show you if the status of your keywords was stable, or if it was affected in any way. Going further, we also have categories, search volume, and rank columns. So these basically show you an analysis of how your keywords have been performing based on their search volumes. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the trends for each of your keyword. So, for example, this particular keyword showed a peak performance, that is, it went on the first rank on 31st of July, and it will show you the trends over the period of time. If you scroll down, you'll be also be able to see share of voice. We also call this click share. If you click on this, it will basically tell you that out of all the five keywords that you added, the total search volume for these keywords was 6,003, and the estimated organic search for these keywords was 2,587. To show you this report more comprehensively, I'll just go ahead and select a few competitors that we had already added, and then I'll click on apply. So as you can see, you'll be able to see the click share for each of your competitors. I'll go ahead and generate a report for a particular day, and I'll click on apply. So you can see that this basically shows you your how much of your domain click share percentage was acquired by your domain in comparison to your competitors. And you can hover over this chart to see the click share of yours as well as your competitors' domains. Getting back to the rank tracker, similarly, you can choose a date range for here. So I'll just go ahead and generate report for 29th to 31st, and then I'll click on apply. All right. So now that I've selected two of the dates, you'll be able to see a comparison of your reports. Similarly, I'll go ahead and compare these two dates, and click on apply. So as you can see, the keyword rankings for two different days. So for example, the keywords that ranked between, I guess there is a issue with screen sharing, and I feel the screen's frozen. I'll just stop sharing it and reshare this. Please just excuse me for a while. I hope my screen is visible now. All right. So moving ahead, I was trying to show you compare view of the rankings. So when you select two different dates, you'll be able to see how your keywords performed based on the ranks. So this graph basically shows you on 29 July, there were two keywords that were ranking between first and fifth position on Google search engine. And then on the 31st of July, there were total five keywords that were ranking between the first and the fifth position on your Google search engine. So this was the rank tracker reports. Moving ahead, now let's move on to the search sense report. For this, again, I'll switch back to the other account and I'll click on search sense menu. As you can see on the top, the first widget shows you the traffic insight. There are various metrics that are shown on the top of this page. So, for example, in case if you want to be choosing seeing the reports for average position or new users, you can select these uh, metrics. You can also select these cards to plot a graph and see the comparison of how each of the metrics have been performing over a period of time. Moving further, the next widget shows you a device segregation. This basically shows you how much of your the sessions. For example, now that the sessions are selected, how much of your sessions are coming from mobile plus tablet as well as the desktop devices. So this segregation shows you from where exactly these sessions are being fetched from. The next widget shows you the top landing pages. So all the top landing pages from your domain will be shown over here. You can go ahead and select any of the metrics that are available over here. So these metrics are fetched from Google Analytics as well as Search Console, and those analytic tools names are also presented in front of these metrics. Moving ahead, the next widget shows you top queries. The top queries column shows you all the top queries that were created generated for your domain. Similarly, you can see clicks, impressions, as well as average position for this widget. In the top landing pages, we also have a detailed report. You can click on View Detailed Report option, and then you can also select the relevant metrics for generating this report. So, for example, you want to generate a report for sessions and clicks, and then you can select these options and click on Apply. So for all the landing pages of your domain, you'll be able to see a comparison of sessions versus clicks and so on. Uh, you can also export this report or download this report by clicking on the export button. Moving further, the next widget shows you the sessions to click ratio. So this basically widget is showing you this ratio between the sessions and the clicks that happened throughout your domain. And the final widget is the demographics widget. This widget is going to show you from which geographic locations your data is being fetched from. So, for example, in case if you want to be checking the sessions, so you can click on this country, then you will be able to see the which cities or the states this is coming from. And when you click on the states, you'll be able to see which exact city these sessions are coming from. So moving further, you can also go ahead and configure this. You can click on this settings option to configure search sense account. You can go to the API integration section to view your integration. You can change, delete, or add your integration from here. You can go to brand keyword segregation menu. So this will basically allow you to segregate your queries into brand and non-brand. So I'll just quickly create one brand segregation. So I'll use a filter type query containing, and I'll enter the brand name. So for my company, the Infidigit will be the brand name. So I'll quickly enter this and then click on apply. I'll also create page categorization. I'll click on create category. I'll create a page categorization for blogs. So I'll just go ahead and enter blogs, and then I'll enter all the landing pages with slash blogs and then click on apply. So now, after doing this customization, I can get back to the reports. And from this overall category, I just created a blogs category. I'll choose that and I'll click on apply. So now this data will be shown only for the blogs that I've created on my website or on the company websites. Similarly, we also had created brand and non-brand keywords. So for example, you can go to top queries and through this drop down, you can select the brand option. So this will only show me queries that are related to the brand keyword, that is Infidigit in this case. Similarly, you can also go to rank tracker, and then you can go to the setting menu to customize or configure your rank tracker settings. In the first stage, you can create or delete your campaigns. Please remember that your keywords, available keywords to add, will be dependent upon the number of campaigns you create. So if you create two campaigns, you'll be able to add five keywords in the free plan. To be able to add more keywords, you can upgrade to our paid plans that will be coming up soon. Uh, in case if you want to be setting up keywords, you can go to the keyword setup menu, and you can delete existing or add new keywords from this menu. You can also go ahead and add competitor details. So you can go to add competitor details and enter the websites or the competitor domains that you wanna generate your reports again, and then you can enter these competitor domains one by one over here, and then click on add component list. Report customization will also allow you to generate customized reports for your rank tracker. So if you remember, the rank tracker page was showing you the ranking buckets. So in case, let's say, for example, you want to segregate your keywords based on your rankings, and you can organize your keywords based on the ranking positions. So let's say you want to create a bucket for first 10 ranks, then you can do that from here. You can also define the search volume ranges. So the head, torso, tail sections that are shown on the rank tracker report can be customized from here. So these basically allows these this setting basically allows you to customize your reports based on the keywords that are based out of their search volumes. So the head count for the head search range will be set by default. You can enter the torso search range, and the tail will also be set by default. In case if you have to change these settings, you can do them from here. Otherwise, simply you can go back to the rank tracker report, and as per your customizations, the reports will be generated. So on the top, you can also see the campaigns that you had created. So this reports is generated basically for the Google Mobile India campaign. If you add more campaigns, they will be visible over here. And this device shows that this report is technically being generated for the mobile device. So this was the search sense and the rank tracker report. You can go to the home section. In case if you want to view our plans, you can click on this view plans menu. To reach out to us for support, you can click on this view support section. We also have a submit feedback feature over here. You can click on this menu, and in case if you have any queries or if you want to give us any sort of feedbacks or even request any features, you can do that from here. In case if you have any issues, you can upload screenshots related to this and then click on submit feedback, and then we will definitely be getting back to you once your queries are resolved. You can also click on this button to get live chat support from us. You can enter your name, email, and then click on submit. Then a live chat support will start, which will be able to help you uh, throughout your queries and your doubts or any sort of support through the live chat as well. So this was basically the demo. Thank you for joining. In case if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments. We would be happy to answer those questions for you. Thank you. Yeah, I guess the first question is from Pranix. Hey, how can it help me? Can you explain it easy? Yes, Pranix, can you tell me your requirements in detail so that I'll be able to help you better? In case if you're not able to reach, explain this through the YouTube chat, you can reach out to us on our office contact, or you can also reach out to us on the email, or you can just simply give us a call. we'll be happy to answer your queries, or you can also mention this in the chat right now. I'll be able to help you with that as well. Hi Kathy, I'm just checking your messages right now. I hope it was. I will. Yeah, we had some issues with the screen recording, or screen sharing, basically. So to answer your question, how accurate is the search volume mentioned in the rank tracker from where the search data volume is fetched? Just give me a moment. How accurate is the search volume mentioned in the rank tracker from where the data search volume is fetched? Yeah, basically, the search volume is fetched from Google AdWords, and the accuracy of this will be technically dependent on the Google search AdWord data, and it is pretty much the same as shown on the Google AdWords. All right, you're welcome. And we keep on having our live sessions frequently. So in case if you missed out on any of these parts, you can revisit this session, or we'll be having our live session again, and we'll definitely inform you about that the next time we have it. And this should be happening sooner. So we'll reach out to all of you again, and we'll be going through all of this all over again, just so that it's helpful for you to go ahead and reach your SEO growth and SEO journey goals. I'll wait here for a couple of minutes to take more questions. Otherwise, I'll catch you in our next live session. All right, I guess that was for all. I'll definitely catch you in the next session. We'll be sending out our invites, and we'll be informing you about our next session soon. Thanks for joining. See you again. Bye bye.